Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. Our today's topic is factorizing cubic polynomials. This is method number 3. We have learned how to factorize cubic polynomials using the method where we had equated the coefficients of equal powers of x, and we have learned how to factorize cubic polynomials using the synthetic division or the algebraic long division. And for this session, for method 3, we'll be applying this technique of getting same linear factor from every two consecutive terms. What we are doing is we know how to factorize quadratic polynomials, but we do not know how to factorize cubic polynomials. So first of all, we are getting a linear factor because any cubic expression or cubic polynomial is a product of a linear polynomial and a quadratic polynomial. So first of all, we are getting the linear expression or the linear factor, and then we are getting the quadratic expression. And to get the quadratic expression, we are applying different techniques. So the finding of the linear factor is the same for every method. What is differing is the finding how are we getting the corresponding quadratic part. Okay. So without any further delay, let us start with our today's session. Let us look at the cubic polynomial that has been given to us. Factorize x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x minus 3. Now coming to the rules. Take small numbers like 0 plus minus 0.5 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 or plus minus 3 one by one as value of x and find the value for which the cubic expression becomes equal to 0. Now, I am not going into the details of the rational root theorem. From the rational root theorem, we actually get the numbers that we should be trying. But you don't have to go to those details. You just try small numbers, the trivial numbers 0 plus minus half plus minus 1 plus minus 2 or plus minus 3. And put them one by one in place of x in the expression and see for which value is the expression value becoming equal to 0. Okay, so x minus that number will be the linear factor of the expression. Okay, so we will be starting with the value of 0, x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this first term is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 and minus 3. So the expression value is equal to minus 3. Next, I usually don't take the fractions first. First of all, I try the integers and then come to the fraction. So I'll be starting with plus 1. Over here, I'm seeing not every term is having a plus sign. So we can try plus 1. If every term is a positive term, never try any positive value. Always try the negative values. Okay. So when x equal to 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 minus 3, it is equal to 0. So when x equal to 1, then the expression value is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 will be a linear factor of the expression, of this expression. X minus 1 is a linear factor. Okay. Now coming to rule number 2. Write the term containing x to the power of 3 and then write the second term in such a way so that we get the obtained linear factor from the two terms as the common factor. The linear factor is this one. Continue to write the pairs of terms in the same way and factorize to get the linear and the quadratic factors. So, first of all, we will be writing the x cubed term as it is. First of all, let us get the expression once more. It is x cubed plus x squared plus x minus 3. Next, we write the x cubed as it is. This becomes the first term. The second term should be written in such a way so that when we take the first and the second terms, we will be getting x minus 1, something taken out as the common factor, will be giving us x minus 1 within the parenthesis. So x cube, if x cube is the first term, x will be coming within the parenthesis from the first term. So what should be the common factor? Obviously, x square should be the common factor, and the next term should be having only -1 within the parenthesis. So x square minus 1, that is minus x square, should be the second term. That is how you get the second term. And in fact, this is my favorite method of factorizing cubic polynomials. It is a bit difficult, but if you get used to this, it is very easy, and it is the easiest and the least time consuming. Okay. So x cube, you have to write x cube, and you have to get x minus 1 as the expression within the parenthesis. And x will be coming from this x cube. So what should be the common factor? Obviously, x square should be the common factor. What will be the second term? Because x square times -1 is minus x square. So minus x square will be the next term, the second term. Okay. And since we are adding or inserting a new term, that is minus x square, it was not in the original expression. So we have to add a plus x square as well, because we cannot just insert new terms in any expression or in any equation. Otherwise, the value will be getting changed. So we cannot do that. We cannot add. If you add, you have to subtract. If you multiply, you have to divide. Since we are adding minus x square, we have to add plus x square as well, because minus x square plus x square will be cancelling each other, and the net result will be equal to 0. So we are inserting a plus x square as well. And there is this plus x square in the original expression. So plus x square inserted and the plus x square that is existing, both added together gives us a plus 2x square. And since plus 2x square is the third term, what will be the fourth term? Because from the third and the fourth terms also we have to get this x minus 1 within the parenthesis. From the third term, 2x square, x will be coming inside the parenthesis. So what should be staying outside the parenthesis? Obviously 2x, because 2x times x will be giving us 2x square. And so what should be the fourth term? 2x times -1, that is negative 2x. So we write negative 2x. Again, we are inserting this new term, negative 2x, because we need this. But since we have inserted this negative 2x, we have to insert a positive 2x as well. And there is this positive x in the original expression. So positive 2x added to positive x will be giving us positive 3x. And there is this minus 3. You see, if we write these two terms side by side, and if we take 3 as the common factor, we get x minus 1. So we do not have to insert any more terms. We will be getting x minus 1 from these two. Okay. So we are having 6 terms in all, 3 pairs. Therefore, now we will be getting the x minus 1 as the common factor from each of these pairs. And next we take out x minus 1 to get the quadratic factor, which is x square plus 2x plus 3. Finally, factorize the quadratic factor if possible. And now in this case, you will be seeing that you cannot factorize this quadratic expression. Okay. So our factorized form of this cubic expression, x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x minus 3, is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus 2x plus 3. This is our final answer, because this part cannot be factorized any further. Okay. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.